Hello friends, all of us know the benefits of herbs and the benefits of green tea. How about combining the two? In this video, I am bringing you recipe of two herb fortified green teas. So let us see the quick and easy recipe. First, I am making green tea infused with ginger and tulsi, that is holy basil. This will be a cough and cold fighter recipe. So for that, take a cup, some fresh tulsi or basil leaves, about 8 to 10. Crush them a little between your palms. Put it in the cup. Now I have some grated ginger. Squeeze out the juice from this. So some ginger juice goes in this. A teaspoonful of honey. You can add as per your taste. If you like more sweet, you can add 2 spoons. So I am adding 2 spoons here. Pour boiling water. Place a green tea bag and let it sit for 2 minutes so that the flavor infuse well, and your cough and cold fighter green tea with herbs is ready. Next, I am preparing mint and lemon tea. So for that, I have taken lots of fresh mint leaves, wash them thoroughly, again crush them between your palms and place them in the cup. Now I'll squeeze juice of half a lemon in this. Here goes the juice of half a lemon, a teaspoonful of honey. Pour boiling hot water. Place the green tea bag, and the herb fortified green tea for a great digestion is ready. So friends, our herb fortified green tea is ready in a jiffy. Try this recipe. Sip the goodness of health with green tea as well as herbs. I'll see you with more recipes. Bye for now.